today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Goddess of Victory NIKKE. This will give you no ads, God mode, all costumes, free gems, free money. It's super cool. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this onto your device. No jailbreaker computer is needed. So keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. It's super insane, guys, and it fully works. So if you are depressed because you have no money, I'm going to show you guys how to get this modded version. So as you can see in the Goddess of Victory NIKKE, I have Dumb Monster, God Mode, all ads, free gems, free money. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So what you need to do is go to this website. It's called zoomods.com and it has a ton of mods or apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So it's called Zoomods. So once you get to this website, guys, just go to the search bar and type in like God. And as you can see, it says Goddess of Victory NIKKE. So just press on this, wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys, because it's super insane. It actually works. Now, if we go to the App Store and type in Goddess of Victory, you guys can see it is super expensive, which is why I would not encourage you guys to spend any money on this game whatsoever. So as you can see, guys, when we go the in-app purchases, it's super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, just go to Zoomods and you're going to be all set. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's super insane. It actually works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. It's super crazy. And this is a fully updated method, guys, which is so awesome. So yeah, I didn't have to jailbreak or anything like that, so it's pretty cool. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but subscribe to the channel. This is actually working, guys, and it's super cool. So if you do like to play this game, guys, then you're going to love this version, guys. Like, this is so crazy, bro. How does it work? Nobody knows, really. So yeah, it's super crazy, though. So if you are, like, interested in this stuff, then be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. I mean, this is fully updated, guys, and it's super insane. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to get the word out. It's super cool and it's fully updated. So yeah, guys, definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super awesome and it is totally working, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel and peace out.